I set the goal to achieve 10K subs in Bali, and here we are. Let's get fucking into the video, baby. All right, guys. So, live reaction. Yes, sir, ski. Seb is yapping, bro, but I'm not gonna pretend to be excited. Honestly, just now it's like you know what I'm saying? Just immune to it. It's just regular, expected.
Expected. What do you call it?
But no, honestly, that's why everyone says that the first sale, first payout for you, first 1,000 is always the biggest one, because you haven't experienced hitting an achievement. But now once you start hitting achievements,
10K.
just 10K. A little 10K, and my younger self will be fucking buzzing.
Let's go. Big 10K. Next is 50. Next is 100. Next is 100.
I appreciate everyone who follows me. No, honestly, I do though. I'm not gonna give you some sob story, but yeah, genuinely, I do appreciate it. But just keep moving, growing bigger and bigger. 10. Next is 20. Next is 50. Next is 100. All the way up. All the way up. But no, I appreciate you guys. Love you.
Video of them, bro.
What? Want to take a pic? Guys, we're in Smoke Bali right now. Tell me this place ain't a vibe.
I'll be around you. On the way up. That's what we do. This is only the start. It's only the start.
On the way up. On the way up. Fucking a bunch of people. Yeah, they could. It's a bunch of people. They're surrounding our fucking booth. Yeah, the boys are vibing. We have a security guard that's generally just blocking our area so no one comes in here. And honestly, bro, guys, it's possible. This is a fucking vibe.
Yes, sir.
We met each other on Discord, guys. Remember this. We're gone through 2 gin bottles. We're all feeling good. But we met each other through Discord. And you can be one of them. Genuinely.
I know, it's fucking crazy.
You can meet us on Discord and we can start fucking vibing and fucking Bali like this. Look at the fucking views. These people are fucking bothering us, but fuck them. Fuck them, bro. We got our own space here. Costed us bands. It costed us bands, but it don't matter.
No, we got security keeping people out. It's beautiful.
I'm gonna take a picture with security, and I'm gonna fucking post it on the YouTube video. I'm taking a picture with security, I promise you, because this guy's been saving us. This guy's been lighting my fucking cigars and cigarettes. He's been a beast. A legend. Service. I would have paid this the same amount of much back home in Montreal. I would have got 0 service. No view, I would have been in a dungeon. Here, we paid bands, yes, but we get a fucking view. We get all this shit. We get fucking security. We get people lighting our fucking cigs and cigars. Can't ask for more. The boys. Look, guys, look where we are. I just want to tell you right now that it's fucking possible. Do you understand that? Look where we are. Take a good look. I'm genuinely not making this video because I need to flex on you. I don't care. I don't want to make you insecure. I don't want you to fucking genuinely, I don't know how else to explain it. But really, I'm telling you with the bottom of my heart, it's possible. I was in the dungeon. I was in the basement. And it's not because of the money. It's not because of the money. It's because I took the fucking risk. Take the risk. Take the jump. Quit your job. Quit your school if you need to. If you want to. I don't care if you think that you fucking have a higher purpose. It doesn't matter. Do it. Fucking do it. It's allowed me to do what I'm here right now. This is possible. That's the reason why I record videos, is to prove to you that it's fucking possible. Do you understand that? Please. I'm not trying to flex on you. It's possible. Let's fucking go, baby.
Oh, fucking ecom life. Everything we fucking worked for is right here. Gives us a new set of motivation to reach even higher levels. We got Steph right here with the fucking hookah. This is what we work for. This is what we work for. You know, you put in the work in the dungeon, and then it's times like this. Like, look, beachfront, oceanfront view, root to ourselves, and it's like, at the time you think it's not possible, but then you get to live this experience and you realize that, hey, it's really possible. You know, everything is fucking possible with hard work, no matter what. We're probably the youngest ones here compared to everyone's 40 years old, and we have the best view possible. Literally. Yeah, we have the best view, and we have a crowd around us. And we are the youngest people here by far. Everyone else is older than us, and we get the booth. We buy the booth. Yeah, we get the fucking booth. No one else.
Hey, take the risk, please. I beg you, take the risk.
Bro, just take the fucking risk. I'm telling you, it's fucking worth it. If you don't see all the recordings that I've done and all the recordings that Julian's done and shows that it's not fucking possible, rewatch it and put all the work in.
You watched me for 360 days be in my fucking dungeon. Take the fucking risk.
Oh, baby. And it's for times like this. Exactly this. And this is only the start. This is only the start. Because we're going to get better and better and better, and then it's over. We're taking over. It's over. Exactly. Our empires will be fucking built.
Fuck all these short-term pussies. Understand that. This shit's long-term. We're building for big dreams, though. Big fucking, like...
We build long-term businesses, not short-term shit, okay?
You don't even know where we're aiming from. I'm not even trying to sound like a dickhead. You don't even know where we're aiming, bro.
You don't know.
You don't know. We're aiming, like, you don't even understand.
Oh, baby. 2 nights in a row, we out here at a fucking beach club. Let's fucking go! You know what, I do have to say, celebrating 10K subs, bro. I can view it like that. Just hit 10K subs Friday. We went out Saturday, Sunday, and we're like, fuck it. Why not? Let's go through some crazy ass places. So obviously the night before was insane. I'm sure you saw some videos on that, but now here, we banging. And even where we're eating at a restaurant over there. I'm gonna show you some videos, bro. It's fucking sick. It's been a vibe, bro. Lately it's been a vibe. I'm really enjoying it. Life's good. Can't complain. Ads got up. I just posted. It's loud as fuck. I just posted my ads. Finally, and I'm cooking. I'm very confident in this product. I'm fucking cooking. I posted right before coming here, so everything's fucking going good right now.
Thank you.
What would you say is your most popular food item? Like main meal?
Thank you.
That's Wagyu beef carpaccio, yeah?
Yes. Thank you.
Send you the food.
We're about to score.
Oh, my camera's ass.
Yeah, you can pull.
Fuck, well, after the bread, it looks good as fuck.